Searching in Shein by code is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to click on the Play Store and open it. Then type Shein in the search bar to find the app. Once you locate the app, click on the Install button. This will initiate the downloading process. When the app is successfully installed on your mobile phone, open it. Upon opening the app, you'll encounter a variety of options. Fashion selection. The Shein app offers a wide variety of clothing and fashion items, including dresses, tops, bottoms, outerwear, swimwear, and more. Trendy styles. Shein is known for quickly adopting and offering the latest fashion trends, allowing users to stay up to date with the latest styles. Afterward, select any product you're interested in. You'll be able to view its pictures, available colors, and sizes. However, you should also click on the Share button for that product. Subsequently, copy the provided code. Then, paste this copied code into the search bar and initiate the search. As a result, the product associated with the code will be displayed. By using this method, you can easily locate and view a specific product on the platform. This can be particularly useful for searching products by code. And once you follow these steps, you're all set. This is how you can search in Shein by code.